Let's look at this question. Each of the 5 persons A through E participated in a running race and finished in a different position. The persons were ranked from first to fifth on the basis of descending order of their weight. The heaviest person was ranked first and the lightest fifth. Further, it is known that no two persons whose ranks were consecutive finished consecutively in any order. This is a very, very important piece of instruction. If my rank in weight is 2 and your rank in weight is 3, we would not have finished the race consecutively, regardless of the order. Me first and you just after that, or you first and me just after that. Both these cases are impossible. Okay, so we have 5 people only. Let's see. We have A, B, C, D, E, and we have ranks given from first to fifth and race. So we have 3 parameters: name, rank assigned according to weight, and race position. These are the 3 things we have to take care of. First bit is B, who was ranked 5th, was the 4th person to finish. Okay. B, who was ranked 5th, was the 4th person to finish. Okay. While the 3rd heaviest person was not the last person to finish. Whoever is 3rd is not the 5th person to finish. This is not a part of the table. This is additional information. D, who was the 3rd heaviest person, finished immediately after C. Okay. D, who was the 3rd heaviest person, finished immediately after C. So if C finished at race position N, D has to finish at N plus 1. N plus 1. Okay. While A was not the first to finish. A is not first. A is not first. Okay. At this time, I also realized this. The 3rd heaviest person was not the last person to finish. Is anyway fixed, no? Is anyway fixed, because see, what this means is the person ranked 3 is not the last person to finish. B is ranked 3. He is 1 rank after C. C cannot be 4 because B is 4. So if C cannot be 4, D cannot be 5. That is anyway known. That is anyway known. So no challenge there at all. Okay. At this time, the only person left for us to mention is E. This is already taken care of, or that is an unnecessary condition. Now, I am seeing rank wise. Race position is not 1. Can I say the person who finished, who had rank 4, person who had rank 4 cannot have race position as 5 or race position as 3? The person who is ranked 4 has to have race position as 1 or 2. Because see, we are consecutively ranked. 4 and 5 are consecutively ranked. 4 and 5 are consecutively ranked. So if the race position of person ranked 5 is 4, neither prior to that nor after that the person ranked 4 can finish. So person who is ranked 4 will have race position as 1 or 2. Okay. The other rank that we don't know, how about 2? I don't know. The only thing that is making sense to me or is calling out to me is this is 1 or 2. And then these two, what ranks can they be? Can they be 1 and 2? Can they be 1 and 2? Possibly. If they are 1 and 2, then C would have to be rank 4. 1 minute. We are checking a case now. So I'm going ahead and changing the color. If I take this as 1 and take this as 2, then C would have to be rank 4. And this is a problem. This is a problem because their ranks are consecutive. They are finishing in consecutive positions in the race. This is impossible. No, cannot happen. So C and D can't be 1, 2. Can they be 2 and 3? Can they be 2 and 3? Possibly. Can they be 3 and 4? No. Can they be 4 and 5? No. In fact, this is no longer a case. This is a guaranteed outcome. The race position of D has to be 3. The race position of C has to be 2. Has to be 2. Because see, 1 and 2 was not possible. Because if this is 1, person with rank 4 would have to be C. C and D are consecutively ranked and they are finishing consecutively in the race. That is not possible. Then 2, 3 possible. 3, 4 not possible because 4 is already allocated to B. And 4, 5 not possible because 4 already allocated to B. So the only case possible is D has a race position of 3 and C has a race position of 2. Now we know A did not have a race position of 1. So E has to have a race position of 1 and A has to have a race position of 5. The race position, the spots where they are finishing in the race, that is uniquely known to us. Okay, let's see what rank can it be. 2, 3. They are finishing consecutively. So this person, C, can you see? Because this is 2, 3. This person can't be 4. This person can't be 4. This person also can't be 2. Because 2 and 3 are consecutive. So 3, 4, 3, 2 is not possible. This person also can't be 5. So the only possibility C has a rank of 1. The only possibility C has a rank of 1. Absolutely wonderful. Now look at, now 4 was supposed to get either rank 1 or 2. So if this is 1 and 2, this has to be 4. The only possibility here is 2. Let's see. 4, 5, 2, 5, great. 2, 3, 1, 3, great. 1, 2, 4, 1, great. Everything seems fine. Let's get to individual questions. Who was the second person to finish the race? The second person to finish the race has to be a race position C, option A. Next, how many people finished the race before the second heaviest person? The second heaviest person is A. How many people finished the race ahead of him? All the 4 people. What is the rank of the person who finished first? The person who finished first in the race has a rank of 4. So option D, 4. And last, how many persons lighter than C finished the race after him? People lighter than him. Everybody is lighter than him. There is just one person who finishes ahead of him. A, D, and B. All 3 of them are lighter than C and are finishing after him. So the answer to this question is 3. And that is the entirety of this set. Fun set, uses convoluted case making, but if you stick at it, it will break down. That will be all for this.